Hello guys, welcome to today's edition of Willow Mami where we teach you more tricks about Pixel Lab. In our today's edition, we are going to be doing a flyer designs for Percy. It's a train. So we're using the black bottle, it's Percy Black. We want to create a design wherein the Percy bottle going to be like it's in the water. So just keep following to get the tips on how to do it. So for this tutorial, we uploaded all the images we supposed to use. We don't want the video to be that long. This is why we do this, and now we are just about to start. So we input our water. We want the water to be at the bottom part of the screen. So I started, I input the water and then I set it. When there I imported the Percy bottle, I reduce the opacity because I want to use the mouse tool to cut the bottom part from there. Yeah, with the water wave at the length of the water wave. So I want to cut it like that, just the way you see it. So just mark it with the wave of the water. Yeah. So this is what I'm doing now, and then I try to set it at the wave of the water because I want the bottle to be like it's in the water. So this is one of the ways to do it using Pixel Lab. There are a lot of ways to do it, but I'm using this way in this video. I will drop another video with another mentor. So as you can see, I'm setting it, and after I got through setting it, go and copy it. Yeah, then I go back to the mouse tools. I have to set it first, then I go back to the mouse tools and then hit out. First it was in, so you hit out the bottle, the bottom of the bottle will come, and then you reduce the opacity. You go back to the upper part of the bottle, you increase the opacity and send it to the back. If you don't do that, you see how the bottle look like. It look like it is within the water. So we want to import some stuff under the water. So I imported a fish and then reduce the opacity to 50. After that, I also imported a scientist, like it is in the water, and reduce the opacity to 50. If you set your image, you can lag it before you try to move other images and then it scatter. So likewise, I imported a background for the water, on the water. Yeah, on the water can be. So I downloaded that image and I added it there. I reduced the opacity all the way to something that will make the design to be looking good. And then I also imported this fish. Yeah, so I copied it many times, and after I got through, I reduced the opacity for it to be like it is with under the water. I reduced the opacity to 50. After I got you setting it, and then I lock all of them, the one I finished with. So I unlock this layer, this stuff looking at balloon, but it carrying Percy color, so I decided to add it there to help announce the design. When I got you, I selected a background color from the water image, and then I write the spelling Percy. I went and selected a font for it. I downloaded this font, so you wish you can download this font that resembles Percy font, and then I spell it black by it, and again give it some line spacing because the text is stitched together, and then I center around it. After I got through, I selected a color from the balloon image like this. So from there I imported a shape because I want to get a light reflection. So I went to a circular shape and then choose a gradient color. The color in the center I make it white, and the color around it I make it transparent, and then I edge it. So I send it to the back of the bottle. Yeah, and also copy it and add some at the edge of the bottle and at the bottom of the bottle. So you see the design is getting very amazing. And then I also added this guy there. Yeah, he's on a slave board and it's on top of the water. And I also add a light reflection so you can know that it's hanging. After I got you, I input the press and then added the press to the design to make the design look good. So you just have to be creative in your own ways. Yeah, so I added a cloud to the design and I inputted the cloud at the back of the design. I've faced some difficulties in setting this cloud some way somehow. So I try to set it. So this is just a practice. This is out of practice, or just a practice, just for you to know how to set a bottle in your water for the be like this in the water. This is why I did this. Yeah. So after I got through, I reduced the opacity of the cloud. Then when I'm about to do some adjustment, add some lighting to it. Yeah. So this is it. I try to add more lighting to see our best to make the design eye-catching and make it more readable and presentable. So this is what you see I'm doing. After I got through, I save it as project, PSE black flyer, and I save it as image also. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe.